Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about domestic animals, like cats and dogs and even cows and horses. They're so cute and fun to learn about. Let's get started!
Chicken.
Happy grazing, little friend! That's it, keep eating! You're such a good chicken!
Dog.
Here you go, boy! Your favorite! Good boy, eat up! You're such a happy pup!
Cow.
Hi there, happy cow! You're such a good grazer. Let's go explore together!
Camel.
Hey there, buddy! Having a good graze? You're such a happy camel. Look at you go! Enjoy the fresh grass. We'll explore more later, friend.
Horse.
Good morning, happy horse. The fresh grass.
You look so happy munching away. You're the best friend ever.
Pig.
Hey there, piggy! Enjoying the grass? That's it, eat up! You look so happy. Good, piggy. You're my best friend.
Turkey.
Hey, buddy! Enjoying the grass? Whoa, that's a big gobble. You're the happiest turkey ever!
Goose.
Look at you go, happy duck. Good eating? You're the best.
Hamster.
Here you go, buddy. You look happy today. One more for my friend.
Cat.
Time for your food, kitty. There you go, eat up. You're such a happy eater.
Rabbit. Donkey.
You're such a happy donkey. Keep eating, buddy. You're the best donkey ever.
Sheep.
You're a happy sheep, aren't you? You like that, buddy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.